One here, terrorism is terrorism. It has no religion, no caste. That's Home Minister Rajnath Singh hitting out at the Congress, accusing the previous UPA government that it led to weakening of India's fight against terrorism by coining the term Hindu terror. Making a statement today in the Lok Sabha on Monday's Gurdaspur terror attack, he censured the opposition party for making Parliament seem like a divided house on the serious issue of terrorism.
Even as Pakistan continues to speak of improved ties with India, its activities along the border raise serious doubts about its intentions. Repeated ceasefire violations along the Jammu and Kashmir border and the line of control and infiltration attempts continue unabated. India, on its part, has resolved to give a fitting reply to these incidents. The government says that the past 5 months saw 5 infiltration attempts in Jammu and Kashmir. 8 militants were killed, while 4 attempts at infiltration were quashed. Home Minister Rajnath Singh gave details of the July 27th attack in Gurdaspur in the Lok Sabha and described how 3 terrorists had infiltrated from Pakistan via the Punjab border to carry out the strike. He further added that any move that disrupts the country's security will be dealt with firmly and swiftly.
भारत की एकता एवं अखंडता तथा देश के नागरिकों की सेफ्टी एंड सिक्योरिटी को अंडरमाइन करने के देश के दुश्मनों के किसी भी प्रयास का हमारे सुरक्षा बलों द्वारा त्वरित एवं मुंहतोड़ जवाब दिया जाएगा। सरकार आतंकवाद से दृढ़ता और कड़ाई से निपटने के लिए पूरी तरह से अध्यक्ष महोदय प्रतिबद्ध है और सीमा पार से चलाए जा रही सभी आतंकवादी गतिविधियों को रोकने के लिए हर संभव प्रयास होगा।
The Home Minister also hit out, accusing the Congress of weakening the fight against terror by coining the term Hindu terrorism. This prompted the retort from the Congress that he was indulging in politics over the issue. The party immediately objected and demanded that the remarks be expunged.
मैं आपको यह भी याद दिलाना चाहता हूं कि यूपीए सरकार के गृह मंत्री ने जो उस समय स्टेटमेंट दिया था और जो उन्होंने हिंदू आतंकवाद जैसी एक नई टर्मिनोलॉजी का इजाद किया था, उसके परिणाम स्वरूप पाकिस्तान के हाफिज सईद ने भारत सरकार के गृह मंत्री को बधाई दी थी। और मैं कहना चाहता हूं, आतंकवाद होता है। आतंकवाद की कोई जाति नहीं होती, कोई पंथ नहीं होता, कोई मजहब नहीं होता है।
Was it necessary? Just to defame the previous government? You should not make political statement. You are making politics.
Earlier, Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar had said in a written reply in Parliament that since 2013 the ceasefire has been violated 1129 times, in which 16 army men lost their lives. In 2013 there were 349 such violations. In 2014 the number increased to 583, while till June 30th there have been 199 incidents so far. The July 27 Gurdaspur terror strike, in which 3 civilians, 3 home guards and a police officer were killed, has raised the pitch for serious action against Pakistan's anti-India activities along the border. With Parliament team, News Night Desk, DD News.